Alright, y'all, I'm out again. At another banger in Ann Arbor. They already acting up. I'm gonna let y'all see what's going down real quick. You can see we smoked up. Boy just went stupid. Shit, that's a lot of smoke, B. We activated out here, man. Activated out here? Everybody running to the action, man. Everybody running to the action, man. They trying to get over there quick. They out here doing donuts. Going nuts. A little bit of something going on everywhere. They activated tonight, bro. And you know it's only Chargers really acting up. I don't see no Mustangs really going crazy. We're gonna see if this one over here right now going crazy. Cause somebody doing dummy donuts. Oh. Big dog? Oh, he big dog with it though. He big dog with it though. Okay. Okay. Alright, I'm calling it. Somebody falling out the back. It's over. I'm calling it now. Somebody falling out the back. I'm calling. I'm calling it now. Where my man's at, bro? Cause he was tripping.
Oh, the cops not shooting up yet.
Oh, they do this shit all the time.
Really?
He on the grass with it. He said, fuck it. We 4x4. out here. He going nuts. Let me get out the way though, because my man's about to activate again. Fuck that. I ain't trying to be one of these niggas. No. Nigga said cut up, leave. Bruh. Hey, my man with the truck with the craziest though. He said fuck the grass. Got a sting. Y'all better get the fuck out the way. Because when that bitch gets loose, it's gonna get loose.
You got blood in your face. Wipe it off. I can't rain on my head. I know I ran so good. Like I'm on this bitch. I want that shit. As soon as I got up the hill,
Off the count. Oh shit. Are we starting? Warm them tires up, boy! That control ain't that good on them things, man. On the curb, on the curb.
Oh yeah, Mustang girl, we got to. I'm scared to get around. I might have to go to the car to watch this. Sorry.
Hey, somebody losing a leg.
Somebody losing a leg tonight.
For sure.
These motherfuckers. It's over.
Hey, but he low-key might know what he's doing. He got a spear in the back and everything. He already knew he was going down to the wires tonight. We doing a 3? What the f? Hey, hold on. It ain't enough space for 3, bro. Damn. Hey, don't get him too activated. He might take us on, bro. Shut up, guys. He acting up, huh?
Don't do it.
He already looked like he was. They was trying to get my dumb ass to spin when I came in this bitch. I'm like, I just put these tires on, cuz. Hold on.
Let me see that again. I didn't get a good look at that.
What's that? V2X. Look, hey.
It's ridiculous. It's obvious what's being done out here. It's on a nightly basis. I hope the world can see now what's really going on out here, because it's getting ridiculous. It's really ridiculous.
Oh, crazy, okay. Okay.
Little maple brown sugar.
I see you, my guy. I see you, my guy. Okay. got some, a couple of sparks coming out the back. Little sparks. Baby sparks. Oh, the boys here! The boys here! We gotta go! The boys here! We gotta get going! Woo! It was fun while it lasted, though. So they said the city was coming out, bro. They was not joking. Woo! I'm not even gonna lie. That run got me tired. But that was nuts, man. That was going nuts. I'm happy I came. I'm happy I came. Now I know. Now I know what they about out here for sure. But I guess that's it for the night. They gonna go ahead and get to the crib. They was trying to get me to spin one. I'm like, nah, player. Nah, player. At least not this time. What I should have did was I had another set of tires that I was gonna put on this joint, at least on the rear, so I could burn them joints out. I ain't put them joints on, so I wasn't about to burn on my new joints. That's for sure. I can see, man, 12 done shut this boy down. Everybody getting out this joint, they skedaddling. They skedaddling out this joint, one by one. So I thought it was over, but they got a new location.